All right, this is gonna be a quick one. Yeah, I had a little fun with my truck. I guess this is the first little thing I had in a while with this. Um, oh yeah, I have a 2012 Toyota Sequoia. All right, and I think it's a common problem. I guess I don't know, but it is what it is. The gas door was hard to open, and it was pretty much damn near impossible to get closed and open. And what happens is stuff in the middle right here is not lubricated for some reason. I don't know why. But but it got stuck, got tweaked out of place, it wouldn't close, and the hinge, the rod in the middle is bent a little bit because of it. It got bent it got bent, I guess, after a car wash I went through. I guess it made it worse, but it's whatever. It's a work tool. Um, I know the Home Depot guy acted like I was insane for putting mulch in here, but look, I got scratches here, scratches, but that ain't the point. All right, if you want this thing to be smooth again, I recommend this heavy duty silicone. Uh, I use it for the windows, spray the window tracks. So so when your windows start to roll down slow, just use this, and it, it's waterproof. So no matter how much you wash it or whatever, it'll still do its job or whatever. So yep, but just spray the hinge area right here. My camera focus. Yeah. Oh yeah. Spray the hinge area right here, then you're good. Um, and right now it opens and closes smoothly and locks, unlocks. What I had to do is get everything back aligned because it was misaligned badly with this, so it wouldn't even click the lock. But now, matter of fact, I'm just gonna spray some more. You can never go wrong. You can use it liberally. Spray this hinge area. Let it soak in there too. There you go. I don't care if it gets on the paint. I don't really care. But yeah, see, smooth, fluid. Let it get all up in there. Alright, like 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 my pajamas in the reflection too. Alright. I know I'm gonna get clowned about that, but it matches my wheels though. But but yeah. But that's all you need to do. Just spray this little area right here and you'll be fine. Just bend it back in shape and it's all gonna be good. And yeah, it clicks, see, clicks and it locks. It ain't gonna come out. It clicks. So see, this is what happened right here. This is the result. And yeah, it really crunched down here. So just a little gets a little tidbit. Gas door gets so hard to open. Just spray this CRC heavy duty silicone lubricant. You need to use silicone because it's waterproof. That way everything be alright.